Well, good afternoon to one and all present over here. Am I audible clearly? I'm getting clearly all of you. Yes, thank you. Now, in the previous lecture, we had discussed about the importance of communication, what things are expected from the company, or what are the expectation of the one of the fresher engineers for the companies, and all things we had discussed in the previous lecture. For today's session, we are going to start our syllabus directly, and accordingly, that's the structure of syllabus. Uh, Already, I think so. We have discussed the syllabus, but once again, we will go one by one content from the syllabus. And first topic of this subject is that is English grammar, and under that first content is articles. Already, we are going to learn a lot of things, but still we need to make that thing clear. While learning, don't learn for the sake of examination only. It would be the learning for the sake of your uh, lifelong learning. Just second. I hope the screen is visible clearly to all of you. Have you learned about the that one type of English grammar, that is articles? Can you tell me the meaning of the word article in Marathi? Anyone can tell the meaning of the word article in Marathi language?
उपपद.
Very good. In Marathi, which is correlating for us, that is upapade. Understand? Well, so now we need to discuss that things in appropriate manner. What is exact articles and what are the types of articles? This slide is in front of you. How we need to discuss these things carefully. Got it? So basically, what are the types of articles? There are two types of articles. One is uh, indefinite articles and second is definite articles. Got it? So everyone must give answer of at least two questions before going to start the usage of articles. Then we will continue. I wish to check your knowledge, how much you are aware about the use of articles. So first sentence is, everyone must note down the first sentence. He is dash dash eloquent speaker. He is dash dash eloquent speaker. You need to fill in the blanks with and the. Out of three articles, you need to use one article and mark your answer through the chat box. Sentence is, he is dash dash eloquent speaker. I have been getting the very good answers from the most of the participants. They have been answering. Answer is an. Absolutely true. The answer is an. One of the next question is there in front of you. Dash dash earth moves around dash dash sun. Dash dash earth moves around dash dash sun. So options are the and the. Absolutely true. I have received most of the students are talking clearly. That is Kushi and all other participants also. Rohini has answered clearly. 62 number, 65, 55 number, 10 number. Everyone is aware about the use of articles. That's great. At least you know the value of that things and this clearly. One of the next question is there in front of you, or next sentence is there for your sake of your clarity. I play dash dash guitar. A guitar or the guitar. I play dash dash guitar. A guitar or the guitar. Everyone is answering a, but correct answer would be the. Ropalkar has answered. I am getting not clearly your name. That's why I need to. So correct answer would be the. Very few participants answered correctly. Good. As I have asked you, how many participants do you know about the Marathi vowel sounds? चला मराठी vowel sounds किती जणांना माहिती आहेत सांगा परत एकदा. I think so we have taken in the last lecture as well.
I
घेतले होते का आपण लास्ट लेक्चरला?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Then there is not need to take the that vowel sounds in Marathi language. का बरं गरजेचे ते vowel sounds in Marathi language? What is the use of that? Why should we use Marathi language in the use of articles? How can we operate that things? Good. So simple thing is that what if you wish to use a or an article before how we need to judge that article, which article would be suitable for the fill in the blanks. So simple one additional thing is there in I cannot say this is the 100% rule would be applicable, but most of the times or approximate 90-95% there would be application of the same rule. You need to you need to write the pronunciation of the word which is after the fill in the blanks, and if you write the pronunciation in Marathi language and the starting of the letter in Marathi of that pronunciation word would be in Marathi vowels. So for example a e u u a o au. Out of them, then only we need to add or you need to fill in the blanks with articles or article and. Got it? Anyway, is very simple usage of there of the we are going to discuss one by one in detail. Just see one by one, and we need to focus much more about the use of articles the. Then and then only it is very simple to use or answer the question all types of questions. First rule is there of use of article an. As everyone knows that what are the vowel sounds in English as well. A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowel sounds in English. So before words beginning with vowel sounds like A, E, I, O, U are called vowels, others are consonants. Everyone knows that. I'm not talking about the vowel letter. Try to understand this. This is the word sound, not vowel letter. Simply what happened, even though the letter is A, E, I, O, U, letter is from A, E, I, O, U, but there would not be use of article am. Why? Because sound would not be like this pronunciation A, E, I, O, U. Understand? So simple one additional thing is there. We need to see the example one by one. An apple, an egg, an all. So these are the very few simple examples are there of use of an. जर शब्दाचा सुरुवात हे ए ई आय ओ यू न झाली असेल, कशी नुसती लेटरनी नाही तर त्याच्या साऊंडनी झाली असेल तर आणि तरच त्याच्या अगोदर आपल्याला आर्टिकल अँड यूज करायचे. लक्षात घ्या. एनिवे व्हॉट हॅपन, जर लेटर झाला असेल आणि त्याचं प्रोनाऊन्सिएशन मात्र वेगळं असेल, की जे एक्सेप्शन केसेस आहेत आपण पुढे बघणार आहोत, जर तसं असेल तर दॅट थिंग्स वुड नॉट बी युजफुल. गॉट इट? सो सिंपल थिंग इज हिअर. सेकंड रूल, बिफोर वर्ड्स बिगिनिंग विथ सायलेंट एच बट साऊंड ॲज वॉवेल्स. बघा हे पण काय सांगतायत, जरी तुमचं कॉन्सनंट साऊंड समोर दिसत, कॉन्सनंट लेटर समोर असलं एच, पण त्याचा साऊंड जर स्वरासारखा असला किंवा वॉवेल सारखा असला, वी नीड टू यूज आर्टिकल अँड देअर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, an our, don't pronounce the word hour. We have that much habit of Indian English that giving the too much stress more than need. So that don't pronounce the word hour. It would be the correct pronunciation would our or are, simple in language are. So before our we need to use an article, an honorable man. So again, honorable is there. So an honorable man, an heir, H-E-I-R, heir, an honest man. So simple. Don't pronounce the word honest. Most of the times, what happen, we without more intentionally we focus on the same stress or gives the stress on the word by saying pronouncing the word honest. Don't pronounce the word honest. It will be the honest. So and is used. म्हणून परत एकदा सांगतो, जरी शब्दाची सुरुवात येच न झाली असली त्याचं प्रोनाउन्सिएशन मात्र मराठीमध्ये जर करायला गेलात, आय कॅन टॉक यूज द अनुच्छेद हिअर. हा, जरी हा शब्द एच न स्टार्ट झालेला असेल तरी पण त्याचं प्रोनाउन्सिएशन मात्र हे असं अ स्टार्ट होतं, लक्षात घ्या. मग ऑनर आवर असेल तर आ, ऑनरेबल असेल तर ऑ, असं स्टार्ट होते. सो हे मराठीमध्ये काय तर स्वर आहे, म्हणून ह्याच्या अगोदर काय करायचं, ॲन यूज करायचं. सिम्पल थिंग इज दॅट, व्हेरी सिम्पल. गॉट इट. नेक्स्ट additional one more thing is there, we will see in the next slide. Use of an. If the abbreviation of the same letters starts with these letters F, H, L, M, N, R, S, X are letters that are not vowels but begin with vowel sound, so an is used before abbreviations beginning with these letters. हे जे दिसतात लेटर FHLMNRSX, या लेटर्सनं जर समजा असे ॲब्रिव्हिएशन क्रिएट होत असतील, सपोज MLA, NCC ऑफिसर, FIR, एक्स-रेज, SP, तर ह्याच्या या ॲब्रिव्हिएशनच्या अगोदर ॲन वापरणं महत्त्वाचं आहे. वाय दिस इज ॲन? ॲज आय टोल्ड यू, सिम्पल रूल. मी एक तुम्हाला साधा रूल सांगितला बघा. कुठला रूल सांगितला की तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे, तर हे मराठीमध्ये लिहिण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे. सपोज यू नीड टू यूज, वी डोंट नो एक्झॅक्ट व्हॉट इज द वर्ड आर्टिकल वुड बी देअर बिफोर द MLA. मराठीमध्ये MLA लिहिताना आपण हे मराठीमधलं एम हे असं लिहित असतो, लक्षात घ्या. हे ए एडक्याचा, मग हे काय एम. In fact, we need to write M like this. Got it? So here M is there, then it is a very easy task. If A is there from the Marathi vowel sound, we need to use M. One rule, simple rule you need to check whether that pronunciation of that word starts with as per the Marathi translation of the vowel sounds or not. But when before where the article the is used, not used, and where the articles are not used. So both roles, exception of that things, you need to apply these things. Got it? Next, most important thing is here, an MLA, an NCC officer, an FIR, an X-ray, and SP. Got it? Suppose anyone can tell the answer if instead of we will discuss the same sentence in the later. Okay, not an issue. Next rule would be there in front of you, use of article a. सो आय होप दिस इज क्लिअर. यूज ऑफ आर्टिकल अँड, साधी गोष्ट लक्षात घ्या, ज्या शब्दाचं प्रोनाउन्सिएशन मराठीमध्ये ट्रान्सलेट करत असताना, सॉरी प्रोनाउन्सिएशन लिहित असताना ज्याचं ए अ आ इ ई उ उ ए ऐ ओ औ असं जर प्रोनाउन्सिएशन होत असेल तर वी नीड टू यूज आर्टिकल अँड देअर. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट वी नीड टू यूज आर्टिकल अ. सो सिम्पल, इन अ सेन्स ऑफ वन, यूज ऑफ आर्टिकल अ इन द सेन्स ऑफ वन. एकच आहे अशा पद्धतीने ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही सांगत असता, दॅट्स थिंग्स वी नीड टू यूज वन. ही कुडंट स्पीक अ वर्ड टू सेव्ह हिमसेल्फ. काय सांगते बघा, अ मीन्स वन. हिअर अ इज युज्ड फॉर द सेक ऑफ वन. गॉट इट? नेक्स्ट रूल इज दॅट बिफोर वर्ड्स बिगिनिंग विथ कॉन्सनंट साऊंड्स, जर शब्दाची सुरुवात ही कॉन्सनंट साऊंड्सनं होत असेल, म्हणजेच मराठीमध्ये व्यंजनाने होत असेल, तर आणि तर वी नीड टू यूज अ दॅर. बट कधी, when it is measurable or countable, we can say. So here a boy, a pen, a dog would be there. Yes. Next rule is there with vowel letters having consonant sounds. So even though vowel letter is there u and e, but we need to use article a. Why? Because as I told you, while writing these things, how we need to you write the pronunciation of the word unique, university, or unit. These letters starts like u, and this is year. Understand in Marathi? So here it comes in the pronunciation, that letter comes in this consonant sound in Marathi language. That's why we need to use a article there. That's why I have used article here. Even though the letter starts, the word starts with e, but correct pronunciation starts with u. So that's why we need to use article here. That's why a university, a unique article, a unit, a European nation. Got it? Next rule is there with units and rates per. It's is used for the word per instead of word per month, per year, like that. So he earns 5 rupees, 500 a month. A month mean per month or per day, like that. Anyway, you can add here. Next rule is there, and in exclamatory sentence expressions, if the exclamatory expressions are there, we need to use article a there. For example, what a pity, what a pretty girl. As everyone knows that the article exclamatory sentences or expression starts with two words, how and what. If the exclamatory sentences starts with what, we need to use article a there. In the sentence starting with how, there will not be use of article a. Got it? So exclamatory expressions, we need to use article a. Next, to refer to unknown person. Unknown means the person who we don't know exactly who is he or who is she. So for example, Mr. Roy is at the door. So here you have given the same uh, because we don't know exactly who is the person Mr. Roy, but by getting some ideas about his name, we need to say that a man, a Mr. Roy. I don't know exactly who is that, what is his position, like that. So that's why we need to use article there. Next rule is there of the using of a, that is to make a common noun of proper noun. Proper nounचं ज्यावेळेस कॉमन नाउन करायचं असेल, that time we need to use article a there. For example, he is a Newton. So here a philosopher as a great Newton. For this is the expressions. Newton is used as a common noun here instead of proper noun. Why? Because Newton is common. Newton is proper noun already, but here used as a common noun. For example, one more additional example I can tell you here. Chetan Bhagat is a Shakespeare of India. So here Shakespeare is also proper noun, but we need to use that common noun again. We have used common as a common noun. So these kinds of rules would be there with the using of article a. Got it? Is there any doubt, any problem while using the article an and a? कोणाची काही शंका आहे तिथपर्यंत?
No, sir.
Okay.
No.
Very good. Now you need to pay attention 100% while using the article of the, because many rules are there, approximately 17-18 rules are there for the use of article the, where we need to use article the. These things you need to pay attention clearly. If you could know each and every rule of the using article the, approximately your answers would be correct. So first rule is there to refer to a particular person or thing. I dislike the fellow. एकच व्यक्ती की जी माहिती आहे आपल्यास, म्हणजे अननोनच्या ऐवजी नोन आहे, आणि अशा व्यक्तीबद्दल आपण जर बोलत असाल तर वी नीड टू यूज आर्टिकल द देअर. सो आय डिसलाइक दी फेलो. कोण फेलो? द पर्सन हुम आय नो. जे परफेक्ट माहिती आहे कोण आहे तुमच्या क्लासमधला किंवा तुमच्या फ्रेंडपैकी किंवा माझ्या फ्रेंडपैकी असा कोणीतरी माणूस आहे की आय डिसलाइक द फेलो. अंडरस्टँड? द फेलो. ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड. Next rule is there, when a singular noun represents a whole class. असे कुठल्या प्रकारचं सिंग्युलर नाउन आहे. नाव बिफोर गोइंग टू in the next lecture or coming lectures we are also going to see the parts of speeches, but still we need to recap that things. Types of nouns: singular noun, plural noun, other types of nouns as well. So here, that the cow is a useful animal. The cow is a singular noun, but it's represent the whole class of animal. Understand? That's why we need to use the cow is a useful animal. Got it? Next, use of the with names of gulfs, rivers, oceans, islands, mountains. यांच्या नावाच्या अगोदर काय करायचं असतं तर we need to use article the. For example, the Persian Gulf, the Ganga River, the Indian Ocean, the Andaman Island, the Himalaya. So very few new names are given there. So you can add a list of your own names as well. Approximately, you will get clear idea to where we need to use the article the. Next rule is that with names of classical books, or classical means or classical or religious books. For example, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Quran, the Bible, the Vedas. So the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Quran, the Bible, the Vedas. These are the classical books or religious books. So we need to use article the there accordingly. Got it? Try to understand the each and every rule of using article the. Then and then only it is very easy. Anyway, it may be difficult. Next rule is there with the names of musical instrument. As I told you or asked you one question before, if the name of musical instrument is there, before that we need to use article the. For example, the flute, the violin, the guitar, the tabla, the harmonium. Got it? So simple thing is there with names of musical instruments: the flute, the violin, the guitar, the tabla, the harmonium. Next one is there with parts of the body. So again here, the head, the stomach, the hand, the leg, the shoulder. These are the parts of the body. So before that also we need to use article the there. Next rule with the names of religious groups or religions. For example, the Hindu, the Sikhs, uh, the Muslims, the Christian. We need to focus here accordingly with the religion or religious groups. So before that we need to use the article the. Next, use of article with the names of enforcing laws. Many enforcing laws are there, but few examples are given here: the police, the navy, the air force, the army. Got it? Next one is there with the names of political parties: the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Indian Congress, the National Congress Party, the Shiv Sena. You need to write in appropriate use the article before the name of political parties. So try to understand the rule of using the articles. Next, with the names of aeroplanes, ships and trains. बघा जर ships असेल, ट्रेन असेल किंवा aeroplanes असेल, before the name of that train, aeroplane, ship, we need to use article the. We need to use article the. Got it? Next thing is there. For example, the Air India, the Vikrant, the Indrayani Express. With the names of dynasty, empire, historical events. In fact, what dynasty means? Rajavamshi Gharane, like that. So the Gupta dynasty, the old Stone Age, the First World War, the Industrial Revolution. So here I can say that uh, the word the is used to somehow before the historical event, empire, dynasty and all. So try to understand this rule. Remember this rule carefully. Next rule is there with names of clubs and foundations. So the Lions Club, द फोर्ड फाउंडेशन. बघा, क्लबच्या नावाच्या अगोदर सुद्धा आणि फाउंडेशनच्या नावाच्या अगोदर सुद्धा we need to use article the. Understand? Next rule is there, the name of unique things. As everyone knows that what are the unique things? The sun, the sky, the earth, the world. These are the unique things in the world. And before that we need to use article the. हे सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे, जी युनिव्हर्सल ट्रूथ असेल आणि त्याच्या अगोदर हे सॉरी युनिव्हर्सल थिंग्स असतील त्याच्या अगोदर आर्टिकल द यूज करावं लागतं. Next thing is there, this with the superlative degree. As you might have learned about the degrees, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree, and all. So like that, here we need to remember before the superlative degree, we need to use article the. For example, the best, the longest, the strongest, the greatest. So these things are expected here to learn. Next example is there with ordinal numbers. So what are the ordinal numbers? The first, the second, the third, and the last. Anyone can tell through the chat box what are the cardinal numbers? If you do not, if you do an idea about what are the ordinal numbers and cardinal numbers, so anyone can mark through the chat box, or by unmuting yourself, you can tell what are the cardinal numbers. Yes, what are the cardinal numbers? If you don't know, simple example is that if 1 to 100, these are the cardinal numbers. Here only ordinal numbers in terms of writing the first, the second, the last, the third, fourth, and everywhere. Got it? So these things are expected here. Next rule is there in front of you, before adjectives when used as a noun. जर adjective असेल आणि त्याचा जर वापर noun म्हणून केला असेल तर we need to use article the. The rich should help the poor. रिच हे काय तर ऍडजेक्टिव्ह आहे, पण इथं नाउन म्हणून घेतलं गेलेलं लक्षात. सो the rich is the noun used adjective but used as a noun here. The rich should help the poor पण तसंच आहे लक्षात घ्या. The more we get, the more we want. More हे पण काय तर ऍडजेक्टिव्ह आहे. Next and at most examples are there in front of you. Through the chat box, everyone must give the answers of the same. Yes, who is going to give the answer for the first question? Confusion is there, too much confusion is there. I have received very few participants answer. Vishal has answered correctly. Sharayu also answered. Ashwini also answered correctly. So what is the correct answer? Useful. The copper is useful material. Sorry, metal. So मी मराठीत सांगितलं बघा तुम्हाला. And useful जरी इथं यू असलं तरी and येणार आहे का? नाही येणार, कारण मराठीमध्ये we need to write the proper word in Marathi, that is यू. हे जर यू असेल आणि हे काय मराठीत स्वर आहे का व्यंजन आहे, तर सॉरी व्यंजन आहे, तर याच्या अगोदर काय येणार आहे? आर्टिकल अ येणार आहे, लक्षात घ्या. म्हणून इथं आन्सर इज अ. गॉट इट? नेक्स्ट, the correct answer is article a. Next, he is not dash dash honorable man. He is not dash dash honorable man. So an honorable man. Very good. So everyone is answering correctly. The correct answer is an honorable man. Very good. Next sentence is there. While answering, you need to mark your roll number through the chat box. Anyway, everyone must answer. Automatically your roll number would be marked there in the attendance or chat box. Next rule is there. Dash dash able man has not always a distinguished look. And a and the no article. Everyone must answer. Everyone is saying an, and correct answer is an. Very good. Next, honest men speak dash dash truth. Yes, answer fast. Correct answer is the. So Prajwal has answered. Most of the participants have answered correctly. That is the correct answer is the. Next, do you see dash dash blue sky? So here again and the correct answer is the. Very good. So because everyone is saying the correct answer is the. Yes. Next, Varanasi is dash dash holy city. A holy city, an holy city, or the holy city. Saurav, you need to think carefully. A or an or the. Correct answer is A. Don't use article the, there, or and there. The world is dash dash happy place to live in. So simple thing is here a and the. So here the happy place or a happy place. Everyone is trying, but Aishwini and one of the participants, Saifia has answered correctly. A. He returned after dash dash r or hour and the. Everyone is answering and. Very good.
माझं लेक्चर चालू आहे बघ सर.
Got it. Next sentence is here. Dash dash sun shines brightly. Yash has answered correctly. 61, 56, 34, 39, 28, 59, 1. Everyone is trying to give the answer correctly. Very good. So correct answer is the. Next, Sanskrit is a dash 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 difficult language. A and the. So everyone is answering A. Very good. So correct answer is a difficult language. Good. बघा ह्या सेंटेन्स मध्ये अजून एक असं वाक्य असतं काय होईल बघा. डॅश डॅश संस्कृत इज अ डिफिकल्ट लँग्वेज. कोण सांगताय आन्सर. डॅश डॅश संस्कृत इज अ डिफिकल्ट लँग्वेज. Yash, here you are doing the mistake. Rohit, Yash, Mega, Pratik, everyone is doing mistake or committing mistake. What is happened? One rule is there. Before the name of language, we don't allow to use the article the. So don't use article the before the name of language. कुठल्याही प्रकारची भाषा असेल तर त्याच्या अगोदर आर्टिकल द वापरायचं नाही. So here only no article. Sanskrit is a difficult language would be the correct answer. Got it? Next, dash dash Ganga is dash dash sacred river. And the no article. चला कौन सांगता है? The and a. C, the and a, C. Very good. Everyone is saying that correct answer option C or the option the and a. Good. Next, French is dash dash easy language. French is dash dash easy language. An easy language or the easy language or a easy language. What? So try. Everyone must try. That correct answer is an. Very good. Next, which is dash dash longest river in India? A longest river, and longest river, the longest river. Very good. The longest river. Rohini, can you tell me why this is the longest river? Rohini?
Because it is unique.
Well,
The superlative degree is used here
very
because
good.
the superlative degree is there.
Very good, Avishka. So correct answer would be
Thank
superlative degree is there. That's why we need to use longest is the superlative degree. Long, longer, longest, and then we need to use article the there. Next, Ram has come without dash dash umbrella. Yes, answer first. An umbrella. Everyone must answer correctly. An umbrella. Very good. Next, She is dash dash untidy girl. She is dash dash untidy girl. Very good. So excellent. Everyone is trying to give the answer correctly. That is an untidy girl. Next, John got dash dash best present. The best present. Very good. Again, this is superlative. Next sentence, India is the one of dash dash most industrial countries. The most industrial countries. Very good. Everyone must mark your roll number through the chat box as well. Huh? Anyway, there would be chances of the absentee. Next sentence is there. Nikhil is dash dash sweet boy. Nikhil is dash dash a sweet boy. Already I have told the answer. That is the next sentence. He reads dash dash Indian Express. The Indian Express. Before the names of newspapers, we need to use article the there. That's why the use correct. The sun rises in dash dash east. In the east. Try to understand. The correct answer would be the. Next, Mr. Sharma is dash dash SP. Everyone can answer. Mr. Sharma is an SP because Mara translation. But Mr. Sharma is dash dash SP of Pune division. We need to use the there because specification is there. Everest is dash dash highest peak in the world. Very good. What is the correct answer? The Everest is the highest peak in the world. And last, thank you so much. So I try to finish as early in the scheduled time. Very good. Is there any doubt? Any